Someone needs to explain to me, because I'm confused. Look at him absolutely hammering it with the exhaust flying out. Why Mr. Stain floor sanding is in the goddamn overtaking lane. Jeez, fuckhead. Holy Christ. Opens up his fucking car door on me like that. What he is doing? Oh my god, what a moron. Fucking, look at this idiot. He's in a no parking area. What a fucking moron. Your mama, Huggies, unit,
Predators and prisoners. Hot lesbian action, my ass. Can you believe that shit? And we know it's going to be something along these lines. And we got to make some...
People are getting themselves confused up here. They've really got to finish this road. This dump... No! Fuck! Don't get back over. Look at this! Look at these two fucking clowns. Now they've got themselves in the bus-only lane. Are you figuring out why there's no one else in that lane yet? Oh, you dipshits. I don't think the Mercedes has got brains enough to figure it out, you dipshit.
Chef, then wake up, you donut. Yes, chef.
What the fuck are you doing? Absolute idiot. Absolute stupid prick. That's a lot of hay. It's a shitload of hay. Where's all that? Where are you going? You going left? Oh, you're on the fucking phone. Get off the fucking phone, mate. Look at this asshole. What an idiot. You know, it doesn't matter how many times I see a clown do something like that. I just don't understand what's going through the brain of someone like that that thinks it's okay. I mean, how much of a self-centered asshole do you actually have to be to think doing that kind of crap is okay? We've got a bullshit artist, Slapdick 08 handjob.
Absolute fucking useless.
Just watch this clown. They've got to give way. They're just going to come flying around. You could just tell he was going to do it. No indicators. He's taking up 2 lanes. Wow. Look at this. Absolute nut. Look at this guy. What a maniac. What is wrong with people? Look at this freaking clown.
Or actually it's wrestling album first and then Pile Driver. But there was a hankering for it. People wanted it, so we gave it to them.
I'm an idiot.
Great question.
This clown in this
from our
Uber.
friends.
No, you moron, you can't go that way. Look at this freaking idiot. Wow. He just exits over the divider as there's traffic coming at full speed and he's stationary into the lane, and all the traffic now has to go around him at full speed. That is how accidents happen. That's simple. Idiots making poor choices is what causes accidents.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
First class cunt.
Literally, they made it up. No, it's not memory foam. This stuff actually sleeps cool, and it gives me a zero gravity-like feel.
A very nice truck driver stopped to let me out so he didn't hold me up. If only every driver had that attitude.